Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. My name is Jasenia. Good to have you. And in today's occasion, I'll be showing you how to make rice for a crowd of people. This will serve approximately between 30 people, 25 to 30 people, around there, depending on your serving portion. But these are all of the ingredients you're going to need. You're going to need 5 cups of rice. I did previously rinse this rice, and so it's that was done last night, so it's dry now. And I do have 10.5 cups of water. Use hot water when adding it into the rice to go ahead and cook quicker. You're going to go over the salt about 2 to 3 times, and then black pepper 3 times over. I'm going to be using about 3/4 of this can of tomato sauce. This is a salted one. Half of an onion, 2 Romas, half a cup of oil. I do have here 3 garlic cloves and 2 tablespoons of tomato bouillon. Okay guys, so I did set my pot here to medium-high heat. So I'm just going to be adding in my half a cup of oil. And this is just the vegetable oil that I used. So I'm going to allow that to heat up a little bit to go ahead and add in the rice. Next step is go ahead and incorporate your rice. I did go ahead and rinse this about 3 times. Go ahead and rinse it, by the way, once you get clear water. Go ahead and add in all of your rice, mixing occasionally, just like this. Okay guys, so my rice has now browned a little bit. It's the golden brown color that I was looking for. So it's time to go ahead and add in the warm to hot water, preferably hot. Okay, and next I'm going to be adding my blended ingredients. Okay, so I added about half a cup of water to this. But I'm going to go ahead and blend the 2 Romas, half an onion, and 3 garlic cloves. Okay, this blend is ready to go ahead and incorporate with the rice. Go ahead and add our mix of vegetables. I'm going to be going over salt 3 times, but that's at your discretion. 2 tablespoons of bouillon. And black pepper. The majority of the tomato sauce can, and I always use Great Value or the Kroger brand. All right, go ahead and give this a good mix. You want to go ahead and cover and cook this for about 15 to 20 minutes, and then you'll go ahead and set aside so it can finish cooking on its own, all on medium-high heat. Going to cover it and allow it to sit. Make sure to stir occasionally so the rice doesn't stick to the bottom of the pot. Once your rice looks like this, go ahead and set it aside to continue to cook on its own. So I did allow my rice to set off of the stove and the heat for another 5 to 10 minutes. But I very well do think that this portion size would feed more than 30 people. But, you know, again, it depends on how you serve it. I do also have my beans finishing up here. Again, this is a taquiza for about 30 people. So let me know if you would like that recipe as well. I do thank you so much for having been here. If you haven't already, please subscribe to this growing YouTube family. With that being said, I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.